National Weather Service in San Angelo has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southwestern Cook County in west central Texas, Sterling County in west central Texas, northwestern Tom Green County in west central Texas, northeastern Arion County in west central Texas, until 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. At 6:33 p.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles east of Garden City, moving southeast at 40 miles an hour. Hazard, 2-inch hail and 70 miles an hour wind gusts. Source, radar indicated. Impact, people and animals outdoors will be injured. Expect hail damage to roofs, siding, windows, and vehicles. Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Water Valley around 7:30 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by this severe thunderstorm include US 87 near the Coke-Tom Green County line. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Prepare immediately for large hail and damaging winds. People outside should move immediately to shelter inside a strong building. Stay away from windows. Large hail and damaging winds and continuous cloud-to-ground lightning is occurring with this storm. Move indoors immediately. Lightning is one of nature's leading killers. Remember, if you can hear thunder, you are close enough to be struck by lightning.
This message from the emergency alert system is now concluded. From Weatherscan 24/7 online radio.
Expect considerable tree damage. Wind damage is also likely to mobile homes, roofs, and outbuildings. This severe thunderstorm will be near Skeeterville around 6:50 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Woodland Springs around 6:55 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Andromeda around 7 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Samsata around 7:15 p.m. Central Daylight Time. Other locations impacted by the severe thunderstorm include Hartville, Lilburn, Locker, Spring Creek, Hall, S190 near the McCullough, Samsata County line, and S190 near the Samsata, Lampasas County line. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
This message from the emergency alert system is now concluded. From Weatherscan 24/7 online radio.